Twitter, I kind of hinted that I was going to get some hands-on time with the Dell Adamo XPS, and I asked people if they had any questions about it. One of our followers requested that I compare the Adamo XPS to other devices so they can get a sense of really how thin it is. To do that, he said, why don't you use a quarter? So I'm going to go ahead and do that. If that gives you an idea how much thinner it is than a quarter, it is incredibly, incredibly thin. Let me go ahead and compare it to a couple of other devices that I have with me. The Adamo XPS is 9.99 millimeters thick, which happens to be about the same thickness as an iPhone. In fact, the Adamo XPS looks like it's thinner in some points than the iPhone, but that's pretty incredible for a notebook. Another device I happen to have with me is my HP NV13. The HP NV13 is the same price as a Dell Adamo XPS in its base configuration of $17.99. Obviously, people that are looking to spend money on a luxury PC, on something with a metallic finish, are going to see these two at retail and probably compare them side by side. And if I put the NV13 right next to the Adamo XPS, you'll see that this XPS makes the NV13 look fat. And to start with, the NV13 is a super, super slim PC. So that's pretty incredible. In fact, let me go ahead and sort of bring these up on edge so you can get a better look. I'll stack the two of them. And there you go. I mean, it's not even a close comparison in terms of thickness. Now, where the HP does beat the XPS is that both of them do have 13-inch displays, and you'll see that the NV13 has quite a smaller footprint. So there are trade-offs to be made in terms of portability, but in terms of thinness, the XPS wins hands down. In fact, let's see here, the XPS looks like it's about as thin as the NV13's notebook lid. Check that out.